Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Margaret. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, or if you're watching this from Facebook, don't forget to like and follow my page. Today we received a package from our friends from Hello Glow. So we'll be opening it now and we'll see what the products are. Oh, so we have here Hello Glow Blemish Miracle Set AHA and BHA. This is made in Korea. The second product we received is the Ultralight Matte Sunscreen Broad Spectrum UVA UVB Protection with Cica and 4% niacinamide and ceramides. Oil control matte finish, skin blurring with SPF 30 PA. And the third product we received is the Hello Glow 3-in-1 AHA Bright Booster Serum, rejuvenating, whitening, brightening, and it is a 20-gram pouch. Now let's talk more about each product. So this is the Hello Glow Blemish Miracle Set. Step 1, Miracle Clear Skin Cleanser. Step 2, Miracle Pore Control Toner. Step 3, Miracle Acne Corrector Serum. And Step 4, Miracle Acne Calming Cream. So let's try to open and see the actual products. So this is the Miracle Clear Cleanser. It is 60 ml. So it gently exfoliates, deeply cleanses, and brightens skin. And the second product in the box is the Miracle Pore Control Toner. It maintains skin's pH level, calms inflamed pores, and smoothens skin. This is alcohol-free and it's in a 65 ml bottle. Next is the Miracle Acne Corrector Serum. It plumps the skin, soothes redness, and reduces dark spots, and it's in a 15 ml tube. And lastly, Miracle Acne Calming Cream. It helps remove troubled spots, reduces pimple size, and dries out blemishes, and it's in a 15 ml tube. So according to the box, this Miracle 4-step skincare set aids in banishing dryness, redness, and impurities, best for oily, acne-prone skin, and safe for all skin types. It also contains natural extracts such as Centellia asiatica, licorice root extract, chamomile, rosemary leaf, and green tea extract for smoother, clearer, and blemish-free skin. Made in Korea by the Hello Glow. So after the benefits and after talking about what the products are, let's try to check what the ingredients of each product is made up of. So the ingredients for this cleanser is water, glycerin, palmitic acid, myrcetic acid, potassium hydroxide, lauric acid, stearic acid, citral alcohol, cocamidopryl betaine, glyceryl chloride fragrance, arachidic acid, disodium edta, citric acid, oleic acid, salicylic acid, butylene glycol, Centella asiatica extract, Polygonium cuspidatum, Camellia sinensis leaf extract, Glycyrrhiza glabra or licorice root extract, Camomelia ricotita flower extract, and Rosmarinus officinalis or rosemary leaf extract. That's for the cleanser alone. Let's try to check what's in the toner. Water, glycerin, butylene glycol, phenolcyethanol, hydrogenated castor oil, triethanolamine, citric acid, salicylic acid, disodium edta, fragrance, Centella asiatica. So more likely, the rest of the ingredients are the same with what is in the cleanser. Majority of the ingredients are also the ingredients that you have in the other products. So if you would like to check the full list of ingredients of each product, kindly look for their product in Hello Glow Official in Facebook, Hello Glow Official in Instagram, Hello Glow Results in Instagram, and also Hello Glow Official in TikTok. So this 3-in-1 AHA Bright Booster Serum, it rejuvenates, whitens, and brightens your skin. It is also a powerful face and body resurfacing serum that uses lactic acid, a form of alpha hydroxy acid, or AHA. Mo din ay meaning sa AHA, guys. Alpha hydroxy acid, vitamin C, and niacinamide to transform dull, aged skin into fresh, glowing, brighter skin while clarifying the appearance of skin texture, pore size, and post-acne marks. Hello lovies, so today we'll be trying out this 3-in-1 AHA Bright Booster Serum would look like after applying it on the skin. So right now I really don't have any makeup. I washed my skin and just had lipstick. So let's try it on. So it's actually very light. It's watery. So what can I say about the AHA Bright Booster Serum? It's actually very light. It doesn't feel sticky on the skin. So if you'd like to rejuvenate, whiten, and brighten your skin, go ahead and try the 3-in-1 AHA Bright Booster Serum of Hello Glow. Hello lovies, so today we'll be trying out the Ultralight Matte Sunscreen Broad Spectrum UVA UVB Protection with Cica, 4% niacinamide and ceramides. It has oil control, matte finish, and skin blurring. This is a 50-gram pouch, and it has SPF 30. Alright. So, shield your skin from harmful UV rays with Hello Glow Ultralight Matte Sunscreen. Its formulation gives the best of both worlds, skincare and protection in one product. So, it contains Centella asiatica or Cica that is known to calm, soothe, and moisturize the skin. Hexylresorcinol, a skin brightening agent that reduces the appearance of skin blemishes. Niacinamide, which provides anti-aging benefits to the skin. And 3 types of ceramides that helps in restoring the skin barrier and retains hydration to keep the skin looking healthy, firm, and supple. So, directions. Apply evenly all over your face and neck at least 30 minutes before exposing your skin to the sun. Reapply every 2 hours and use daily for best results. So, a while ago, I placed AHA Bright Booster Serum on my face. Now, let's try to see the effects of the Ultralight Matte Sunscreen. So, as you can see, compared to other sunscreens, it does not leave that whitish effect on your skin. It's very clear. It's like you're not wearing any sunscreen at all. That's what I like about their sunscreen. It's like you're wearing no skincare, but you are actually wearing protection on your face. So once again, use this or put this on your skin 30 minutes before you expose your skin to the sun. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in my next vlog, lovies. And thank you so much for your support. Once again, I'd like to thank Hello Glow and Ever Bilena Cosmetics for the trust. And if you have any questions about the products that I tried today, please do leave them in the comment section. And if you have any inquiries or would like to check the actual products, you can check Hello Glow in Shopee, Lazada, and Ever Bilena direct sales. Thank you so much again for your support. I hope to see you in my next vlogs. Bye!